Hello, people, and welcome back to RR Consultancy Services, your daily guide for technical tips and tricks. So, today's topic is how you can do basic calculations using different kinds of formula in Excel. So, as you can see, I have already prepared an Excel dataset for you. I will quickly teach you first how you can multiply in MS Excel. So, the first topic is how you can multiply using simple trick in MS Excel. So you can see there is a price column and stock or quantity column. So in order to get the total of sales, we have to multiply price with the stock quantity. So I am writing it down, total, and I'm writing the formula also, price multiplied by stock quantity, right? And let me just format the cell a bit for you to look attractive. It will also enhance the visibility. Yeah, this one is fine. Yeah, perfect. So what we need to do is click on that cell, type is equals to, because every formula in MS Excel starts with is equals to. Now what I did is I multiplied price cell with stock quantity, okay, and after getting the result I am just dragging the entire cell to fill the value automatically. As you can see, you just have to calculate the multiplication just one time, and you have to drag the result to the last cell to get the total for every product. So this is how you can get the total of all the product prices. Now I'm going to show you again how you can get the sum of this price. So type SUM, first obviously give equals to sign, sum, then open the bracket and select the cell range and close the bracket and press enter. This is the formula. Again, I'm showing you on the screen. Please look. Sum, bracket open. You can type manually also. First cell is to the last cell. Yeah, you can see the range is already selected, and then I close the bracket and hit enter. This is the total of the price. Okay, I'm also formatting the cell. Yeah, it is done. Now how you can subtract in MS Excel. This also is very easy and you must learn it. So subtraction is very easy. You can use plus or minus sign in MS Excel, and for this I'm going to show you how you can use the minus sign in MS Excel. You already have it on your keyboard. Suppose you want to remove one product from the total. Okay, let's say I want to deduct the product price of fluid dynamics. So what I'm going to do is I'll click on the cell, type equals to, then select the total of the price, then I'll give minus sign and select the price of fluid dynamics. Okay, this is a new total that does not include the fluid dynamics price. I hope it was easy. Okay, I'm also writing it down for you to understand the difference. First is total of all the prices, next one is total except fluid dynamics price. Okay, now how you can do division in MS Excel. It is also very easy. Division is mostly used for getting average values, right? We all know we have been taught average calculation in our schools. So what you can do in MS Excel is you can use the division or slash sign to make this calculation. Suppose I want to get the average of the price that I just calculated right now. You have to just identify the number of products or the number of subjects, in case you are getting average for a student, okay, average score of a student, then you have to find out how many subjects are there in the total calculation, okay, then you can get the average number. For this, I'm assuming there are 13 products. So what I'm gonna do is, I think, let me check, yeah, we can consider it 13. Okay, now I'm gonna consider 13 and show you the average calculation by using the slash sign, which is the division. So select a cell where you want to show the calculation, equals to, select the cell of total divided by 13, you get the average. Yeah, it is very easy, guys. I just hope you learned something. Keep practicing. I am again showing you the formulas. You can see it on the screen and on the formula bar in MS Excel. I hope you learned something out of this video. If you have, please leave us a comment, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for latest tips and tricks from RR Consultancy Services.